Welcome back to Villa Famiglia, everybody. It is Wednesday, August the 27th, and we have an action-packed site walkthrough ready for you. So let's stop talking about it and dig right in. Come on. Right now, we've got this all dug out and ready to go. This is going to be a set of stairs going down to the back patio. So this is going to need to get tamped before we start doing any aggressive forming on here so that we don't have any settling. Make sure that that happens. But yeah, this is going to be retaining wall here, going along there, and then there'll be a set of stairs in the middle of that coming down to this lower patio area here. So we've got all of our drainage ready to go here. We've got footings for the deck above ready to go there. Those should be getting poured in the next week or so. And then again, we've got the garage. Now, you know, one of the things that we have not been getting going as fast as I would like is this garage framing. Oh goodness. Now, the reason for that is it's obviously, well, maybe not obviously, but it's going to be a lot easier to frame this if this is backfilled. And what do I mean by backfilled? Actual grade back here is going to be up around here. So you can imagine framing these walls, sheeting these walls, doing all this stuff on these walls would be a lot easier if this was done. Unfortunately, we've been back and forth with the city on this stupid water situation and figuring out the drainage. So that's really put us backwards in a big way. So I made the decision yesterday to say, screw it. Like, if we don't have this backfilled by the end of next week, we just frame it. Let's get this going, because we need to have this garage framed and roofed and ready to go, because the power pole is over here and you can see the coils of wire coming out of the foundation wall. Those are the wires that will power the house. So we need to have the garage in order to get rid of the temporary power. That's the issue. There's a saying called string line straight. And so these strings are here to set the centers of these posts so that we can make sure that these guys are in perfect alignment, because the device that actually has to get embedded in the concrete is pretty intense. So this sucker is actually going to go into the concrete, and that is going to sit to the concrete. It looks like roughly up to here. It even says right on there, embedment line. So this is going to go into the concrete to that point there. And the reason why we have to have this fancy saddle is we don't have any knee braces. Recall that this is going to have Roman columns, so you can't have any knee braces. And if you don't have any knee braces, then there's a possibility that this structure can shear this way. So these particular saddles prevent that kind of twist, so the deck won't fall down, which I think is a good thing. I appreciate you taking the time to make it through this entire video, so thank you so much for watching. If you have a second story addition that you've been thinking about, or you have a home that you're thinking about renovating, we would love to be your partners in success. Give us a shout at the office or book a call with us on our website. We'd love to hear from you and learn how we can help you. In the meantime, make sure you like and subscribe this video so we can share more of our absolutely amazing, wonderful content with you. As always, stay awesome, and thanks for watching. Bye now.